Hello friends, Namaskar. Today I'll give the information about slings. Slings. How to use the slings and how to select the slings. How to use the slings and how to select the slings. So before you selecting the sling, you should know the capacity of the load, how much you want to lift. Before knowing without knowing the knowledge of the load, you take blindly one sling and go and lift with that, maybe chance of a break, and it leads to a damage of the property, or maybe sometimes it may cause fatality also. So it is very important to know before using the sling, is the sling is the correct one or not. And also another important thing is, before you choosing the sling, you have to verify with your eyes, is the sling is the correct, is the sling is in the good condition or not. If you feel the condition of the sling is not good, then you may choose another sling also. Because if you take a bad one and after using that one maybe cause a damage of the property, or maybe a people, or maybe anything, cause reputation down for the company. So here you see four slings are available. You see number 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So from C4, fourth one is a single line. You see only one sling is available. So directly you will put this hook in the crane hook and you will lift the load, how much it can lift. So see here this thumbbell, in that thumbbell you have a load indication. It written that 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 ton. Beyond that load you cannot put over this sling. If you put, maybe by luck it may be lift, but after usage of 4 to 5 times definitely it will damage, maybe rupture and cause damage. And the next one is this one, you see double sling. So double sling with the hooks. You see these hooks, very important to know these hooks, because when you are lifting a drill collar, in drill collar is a very heavy component, very heavy component. So you, if you want to lift the drill collar, suppose maybe it is in maybe 4 tons, 5 tons, like that, it look like this drill collar. These are the spirals. After that there is a one cap, there is a cap, and also in this side also there is a one cap. So in this cap, this portion you have to fix, this these hooks, not like inside, you have to put outside. That means reverse position of these hooks, you will put in the reverse direction. That means whenever you put this hook, it must be like this, it must be like this, it must be like this, it must be outside. Similarly this also. But before knowing this one, before using this one, suppose you want to lift 4 ton, suppose you want to lift 4 ton capacity of load. So how will you select the this two-way sling? How will you select? So see here, when you go to this sling, after choosing everything, then you notice that this is the correct sling. So how you will know this is a correct sling? By seeing here there is a written capacity is 6 ton, capacity is 6 ton. More than the 4 ton capacity is allowable, but not less than the 4 ton capacity. So 6 ton also acceptable. So here 6 ton, here 6 ton, so both sides 6 ton is written, but you have to select only, you have to choose this 6 ton, not 12 ton, because these two slings combinedly 6 ton, not 6 plus 6 12. Okay, so whenever you go for 4 slings also similarly. So if this sling capacity is 6 ton, that means each and every sling carries 1.5 1.5. That means the total is going to 6, but not the 4 4 6 6 6, that means 24 ton. 24 ton is not the right. Okay, so whenever you going to lift any load, see what is the load capacity is written on the thumb. So based upon that you will take. Okay, not adding all the sling capacity and make one is not the right process. So this is what the slings information. Okay, thank you.